Good morning, everyone. We're going to do calendar, and let's start with our rule song. Ready? Eyes on teacher, listening ears, You should have calm hands, and a calm body, Good morning. So, I have this little activity I wanted to show you before we did calendar. I'm going to move myself. Where can you see the farm? Let's put me right here. Okay. So we're going to put some animals on the farm like Miss Amanda did the other day, but now you can watch me do it on the screen. Okay? So this is a farm. I see a barn here. It's big and red. And I see some animals we can put on the farm. And I do see a tractor here. So let's see. There's a tractor. There's a cow. There's what's this? Horse. There's a sheep. There's a duck. This is called a silo. It's part of a barn. Hay. Goat. A farmer who works on the farm. And a boy. All right, so we're going to let's pick the cow first. Let's put him right on the grass. We can make the cow bigger. Down here, this says bigger. Bigger. Bigger? Let's do it one more time. Bigger. We made the cow big, right? This button says smaller, so if we want to make the cow smaller, we can touch that button. But I'm going to keep him big. Okay. This is a cow, and he's on our farm. Let's do the tractor on the farm. Maybe the farmer needs a tractor. I'm going to put the tractor right here in front of the fence. Let's make the tractor a little bigger. 3, 4. Oh, that's a big tractor. Let's move it. Oops. There it is. All right, so now the cow is on the farm and the tractor's on the farm. Let's put the farmer on the farm. Here's the farmer. He's waving to us. Maybe he's on the tractor. Let's make the farmer bigger. There we go. Let's put him next to the tractor like that. Okay, here's our farmer on the farm. We have our farmer, our tractor, and our cow. Let's put 2 more animals on the farm. Let's put the sheep. Let's put a sheep on the farm. Let's put the sheep over here. Let's make the sheep small. Small, small, smaller. Oh my gosh, look at that sheep. It's so small. Let's do one more animal. Let's do a horse. This one says neigh. Let's put the horse on the farm. Wow. Let's make the horse bigger. 1, 2. The horse looks about the same as the cow. All right, so this is our farm picture. Isn't that cool? Do you like it? This looks like a farm, right? You can do this on Boardmaker if you guys want to. So that's fun. I like that. So now the farm picture, this is all done. We're going to do our calendar now. I hope you guys liked that. All right, let's do our calendar. Put that down. Okay, I'm going to move my face back here. All right. All right, let's start with the days of the week. Are you ready? Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Nice job. Can you tell me what's the day of the week? Good. Today is Friday. Nice job. All right. Let me click on the box that's yellow. It says Friday.
Great job.
All right. It's Friday, April 17th. All right, let's do the months of the year next. Days of the week are all done. We're going to do the months of the year. Here we go. Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. Good job. There are 12 months in a year. This month is called April. Nice job. You can tell me. The month is April. That's right. Nice work. Days of the week are all done. The months are all done. And now we do our counting, right? We start with number 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What comes next? 17. Great job. 17 looks like this. Nice. And 17, if I wrote it, 1 and a 7. I'm trying to make this darker so you can see it. 1 and a 7. That's 17. Great job. I have my 10 frame right. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, right. I'm going to add my pink dot. Good. I made 17. Nice job. Wow, that's almost 2 whole 10 frames, almost filled up. Awesome. All right, let's do the weather. That's the last thing we can do. Ready? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? What is the weather? I see out my window. The weather looks sunny. Yes, the weather is sunny. Nice. What's the weather in Milford? Can you tell me? I'm thinking the weather is sunny in Milford too. Nice job, you guys. All right, let's say the whole date, okay? You help me and you can tell me with your words. What's the whole date? Today is Friday. What's the month? April. What's the number? 17th. Good job. 2020. And the weather is sunny. That's awesome. You guys did a great job. Have a good day. Bye.